what's crazy right now? There's never been a better time to build an online business. Everything is digital. People are online all day, and money is moving whether you're part of it or not. If you have one good offer, one simple system, and 2 focus hours a day, you can build something that keeps working even when you're not there. 2 hours a day still leaves you with 22 hours to be a mom, to live your life, to actually breathe again. I never fully understood how powerful online business was until I saw how one setup can keep bringing in an income day after day, week after week, year after year. And if you're willing to learn and willing to stay consistent and willing to follow one clear path instead of jumping between ideas, this can genuinely change your life. 2026 is not the year of excuses. It's the year you stop stressing about money, stop checking your bank account with fear, and stop trading every hour of your life for a paycheck. So if you're still listening right now, and you want things to look different this year, I want to give you free access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It shows you how this works step by step. Simple, realistic, and built for real life. Just comment yes and I'll send you the details.